Alright guys, I went ahead and we're just going to do a just a meter test here to see what the stock Stryker 27Q is running. I've already hooked up the watt meter and it matches my P0 watt meter. Battery is right now is at 12.34, and I've got the LiPo cell count going on. Just keep the voltage in check. So we're going to go ahead and hook her up here and do a run. Alright. So what we're pulling just static with just the electronics on are about 0.1 amp and kind of fluctuating in between 0.9 and 1 watt. So I'm going to go ahead and do a slow roll up here and we'll see what we get. Alright, I got 487 at about 42 amps, 487 watts at 42 amps, about 12.14 volts on the battery pack. So now we're going to go ahead and do a quick burst. I'm going to put it into lock mode so it will keep the burst. So before we do the burst, we'll do one more run up. This will lock it in at the highest watt and amperage rate, and I'll leave it there so we can see it clearly afterwards. Alright, and we got 476 watts at 42.1 amps at 11.23 volts on the battery. So now we will do it'll shoot us a little bit over our speed control into the burst area and see what we come up with. Alright, that one came in at 489 at 42.7. We'll do one more. Alright, and where the battery is at right now, looks like that's going to be the burst, is going to be 489 at 42.7. I'll give it a couple seconds here, where I'll throttle it up just normal, come back down and give it one more burst and see if we can break that. And that's where we're at. So 489 at 42.7 amps, 11.23 volts on the battery, that is at the burst. Earlier I did break 517 on the burst, but yeah, looks like those are the numbers running on the stock setup on the Stryker. So I hope this helps somebody out. If anybody's wondering about numbers and wondering about props and stuff like that, leave me a question or comment and we can figure out how to set that up.